after only 1 day of nest building, they've been able to accumulate that many zip ties to put in with it. That's pretty insane. I was wondering where they'd all gone. Literally like about 70 of them or something that I had. She's being a good mum and keeping an eye on the eggs even though she's not on them. And I have to go now, babe, though, because I've got people waiting for me at my work. So I need to get you back down to your nest. Okay, so come on. Let's see if you can step up onto my hand. There you go. There you go. I'll bring you back down to your eggs. There you go, sweetie. Oh, there you go. See? They're all still good. I was just showing people how well you've done building your nest. This is too adorable. I'm going to put you back in your cage now, babe, okay? Nope, Kermit, no, you're not coming out. Sorry, bud. Oops. Oh, sorry, bud. You can't come out and have her go in. Yep. Don't know whether he's just wanting to make sure she gets back okay. Guys, I've turned your nest the right way so that you can see out the window. There you go. All's well. He's just making sure that the eggs are okay. Yep, see, I haven't done anything to them, bed, it's okay. You're a good dad, you are, Kermit. So proud of how well you've built your nest as well.